Girl, when was the last time you actually washed your hair? Have it been 2 weeks, a month, 3 months, 6 months? I'm not here to judge you. I ain't gonna judge you. I'm just gonna let you know I'm right with you. Cause it's been a few months since the last time I actually washed my hair. I didn't have my hair in some braids. I took it down. It is time for me to wash my hair. Now, with this video, I'm going to show you all the products that I like to use to deep clean my hair, especially as a girl that has 4C hair. So let's get into this video. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Wealthie, and I'm back again with another video. And with today's video, as you see, it is wash day for your thick 4C hair girlies. I'm going to show you everything and how I maintain and wash my hair, deep clean my hair when I go months without actually washing it. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that it is okay to go months without washing your hair, but you know, us black girls, we have our hair in braids, and sometimes we go months without washing it. It's not healthy, but it happens. So I'm not afraid to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly on this channel. But as long as I'm keeping it real with y'all and showing y'all how I need to take care of my hair and how I do take care of my hair, that's what it's all about. What I'm doing here is I'm getting the product out of my hair, all the products, all the gunk, and all the disgusting things I have left in my hair for the past 3 months. Yes, like I said, I had these braids in my hair for 3 months. So it's a lot of different things in my hair that needs to come out. But one thing that's in my hair right now is it's glue, okay? I use boho liquid gold to slick back my edges, and I never rinsed it out. I know that's probably sound pretty disgusting, but your girl be busy with all these wigs, okay? So I don't like to constantly have to wash my hair, braid it back up, put another wig on every other week. But it is not hard to get out. Luckily with boho liquid gold, all you need is a little bit of cold water and that glue is slipping out of my hair. But like I said, I'm getting all this product out, and I like to use lukewarm water to rinse my hair out and get out all the old products that I did have in my hair. Whenever I'm in a crisis like this and I need to really deep clean my hair, I'm going to go ahead and grab that clarifying shampoo. Now, I don't use clarifying shampoo too often. I probably use it like once or twice a month because you don't want to use it excessively. So the clarifying shampoo that I actually like to use is the Sulfur 8. Sulfur 8 is going to make sure it get rid of all that buildup and that oil that I had in my hair, and definitely this glue I have in my hair as well. So I've been using this product for about a year, and when I tell you that it helped me in so many ways, especially with the dandruff and itching that I've been having with my scalp, I think I have a little bit of psoriasis of the scalp. I'm not going to self-diagnose myself, but yeah, I've definitely been having that issue. But ever since I've been using the Sulfur 8, this helped me a lot. But one thing that you do want to do when you do have thick hair, or even if you don't have thick hair, our hair needs to be deep cleaned once in a while, probably every 2 weeks, or once a month, like I said. And this clarifying shampoo is going to make sure it actually cleanses the hair and gives the hair the cleanse that it actually needs before you go in with a moisturizing shampoo. So yes, I'm going to use the Sulfur 8, and yes, it's affordable. You can get this at your local beauty supply store, but y'all already know all these products are going to be listed down below in my Amazon storefront. So I have a little bit of a tip for you guys. Usually when I am washing my hair, I like to wash my hair in lukewarm water. I don't wash my hair in hot water, and I do not wash my hair in cold water. The reasons for that is I used to wash my hair in hot water, and baby, when I tell you, it did feel good and it felt amazing on my scalp, but it tore up my hair so bad, it dried out my hair, and it removed all the natural oil that I had in my hair. I didn't like that, okay? So it felt good, but my hair didn't like that. And also for me, whenever I wash my hair in like cold water, I know it's beneficial. It helps hydrate your hair, helps keep the shine. But the way my hair feels when I wash my hair with cold water, it feels extremely rough. I don't know why, so I just stay away from it. But washing your hair in lukewarm water when you have thick hair is very beneficial. It's very gentle on the hair. It cleanses your hair, and it gives you that shine, and it hydrates your hair. So I definitely would recommend for you guys to wash your hair in lukewarm water. Don't dry out your hair, okay? Don't dry out that scalp. If cold water works for you, cold water is beneficial. I'm going to say that.
Cold water just does not work for me. But lukewarm water is for everybody. I just want to give y'all that tip real quick while I'm rinsing out this clarifying shampoo. So let's get into the second part of shampoo on our hair, and that's when we go in with the moisturizing shampoo. The moisturizing shampoo I'm using today is the ApHogee Deep Moisturizing Shampoo. And when I tell you I am absolutely in love with this product right here, okay? And for the girls that use clarifying shampoo, you already know clarifying shampoo makes your hair feel like it is stripped because it takes away all the dirt and the oil and the gunk for your hair. And obviously that's what it's supposed to do. But when I go in with this shampoo right here, this moisturizing shampoo hydrates my hair so well. It brings it back to life and it makes my hair feel amazing, okay? Like, I'm absolutely in love with this product, and I'm in love with all of the products that I'm showing you guys today in this video. But this shampoo right here, I never felt anything like it before. And on top of that, it gives your hair the protein that it needs to bring your hair back to life. That's probably why I'm in love with this product. But yeah, this shampoo right here is the go. I'm gonna use it every time. After thoroughly washing the shampoo out of my hair, now it's time for conditioner. And today we are deep conditioning our hair. And girl, this is something that I just added to my hair routine, and I absolutely love it. Using the Shea Moisture Intensifying Hydration Hair Mask has been something that I just added to my hair collection, and I love it. Okay, it has manuka honey and morpho oil. I hope I said that right. And since I started using a hair mask in my wash days or deep cleansing routine, I can notice a huge difference in my hair. My hair is more moisturized, and it stays moisturized longer than it usually has. Usually before I even start using hair masks, my hair will be moisturized for about a day, and every day I have to continue to moisturize my hair just so it can stay hydrated. But since I added a hair mask, baby, my hair is the least hydrated for almost a week. Okay, and that's a huge difference. One thing about using hair masks, and particularly this hair mask, it helps prevent split ends and breakage, and it really hydrates your hair and bring your hair back to life. And this is good for moments like this when I had my hair braided up for like 3 months. My hair definitely needs to be hydrated. So now I'm all done washing my hair, and I wrapped up my hair in a shirt for about 20 minutes so my hair can dry. One thing that I stopped doing is using a towel to dry my hair, because that absolutely dries my hair out, and what I am trying to do is keep my hair moisturized because I already have problems with my hair being too dry. Now, that is a tip that I am going to give you guys real quick, is use a shirt to dry your hair compared to using an actual towel. Towel will strip the moisture out of your hair, and it has it all nasty and tangled up. I don't like it. I've been using a shirt, and it's been helping my hair to stay moisturized. So ever since I found that out, I just kept using that technique. Now, what am I doing now is I'm about to get ready to part my hair, so I can part my hair in 4 sections so I can detangle my hair and moisturize it. You gonna see my boyfriend in the film because this particular time I was tired and I was just out of it, and I needed someone to detangle my hair, basically finish my video for me. So y'all gonna see him, but we're gonna get into the products that I like to use when it comes to me moisturizing and detangling my hair. Now it's time to detangle my hair, and what I'm using is ApHogee leave-in conditioner. Now, I know it's in my spray bottle. I was running out, so I just put the rest of the product in my spray bottle and added some water so the product could last a little bit longer. Y'all know y'all girl just moved, so you know we gotta do what we gotta do to make it work, okay? But I love this particular product because it's just not a leave-in conditioner. It makes sure it deeply hydrates my hair, make sure it helps detangle my hair, and also it can make your hair more fuller than usual. And I think ever since I've been using ApHogee, my hair has been getting fuller and thicker, and I think it's probably because I'm using this product. But y'all see my man detangling my hair, and I'm tender-headed, so I ain't got time for this. This is gonna be real short because I'm in pain. Now, I wasn't able to put on camera me moisturizing my hair, but I'm just going to tell you guys what I use when I am moisturizing my hair, and that's the ApHogee Balancing Moisturizer. Now, you're going to hear me once again say I am in love with this product, but I am in love with the whole ApHogee line, okay? With my whole entire hair growth journey, when I tell you that ApHogee has helped my hair become more fuller, thicker, and grow healthier, I am in love with this line. And I think it's great for the natural hair girlies, especially for the girls that have 4C hair. But back to this moisturizer. Now, what I like about this moisturizer is it moisturizes my hair, but it keeps it hydrated for a very long time. Like I said before, when it comes to my hair is usually not moisturized for that long. It's usually about a day or day and a half. But when I am using this product, it helps soften my hair. It makes my hair more manageable and look healthier. But most importantly, this product is great for the girls that have processed hair and need their hair to be repaired. Like I said, it makes my hair feel extremely soft, but it is suitable for those who have curly hair, and it helps maintain frizzy hair too. So this is what I'm just in love with, the whole ApHogee line. And lastly, as you guys have seen, my boyfriend is oiling my scalp with some biotin oil that we got from the beauty supply store. And I know it's very controversy about using oil or grease on your hair or on your scalp. Me personally, it has always helped my hair grow. It has always worked for me. I haven't had any issues with hair oil or hair grease, but I know some people, they like to use a serum. But as long as you oiling or hydrating your scalp after you're done with everything, that is the main point, to make sure your scalp is healthy and hydrated before you even go ahead and style your hair. And we ending the video off right here with my mini fro. My hair is healthy, clean, hydrated, and this is how I actually deep clean my hair. And I'm absolutely in love with my mini fro. You don't want to miss out on next week's video, where you're going to see how I actually style my hair for everyday hairstyle that is manageable, low maintenance, and it is good when I am on this hair growth journey. So you guys don't want to miss out on that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below. Just know that every product that I use is going to be down below. It's in my Amazon storefront. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And like always, if you're not subscribed, then what? You're missing out on some good content, girl. So thank you for watching, and bye, my babies.